just getting a start on my gingerbread men for Christmas. Trying out Mom's old recipe I found. And now I have to clean up. So I'm just going to use there's a lot of stuff here that can be thrown up, but I'm going to use the all-purpose cloth. There's a lot of flour and molasses and sugar and everything here, so I'm just going to scoop this in the garbage. This picks up everything pretty good. Now I'm going to rinse it out with warm water, get rid of everything, and give it a cold water blast so it picks up everything again. And there. All right. Now we just have to decorate them so they look like gingerbread men. So take care, get your Christmas baking done.